the remaining part for the classification of the organic compounds. So we will discuss the second class of the organic compounds in this section. Basically, we have the organic compounds into two classes. The first one is open chain organic compounds, and the second one we have closed chain organic compounds. So in open chain, we have studied its two types. The number one was the straight chain organic compounds, and the second type is branch chain branch chain organic compounds. Now we will discuss the second class is the closed chain organic compounds, or they are also known as the cyclic organic compounds. So what are cyclic organic compounds, and they have also been further divided. So let's have a look on this. Basically, closed chain organic compounds or the cyclic organic compounds. These compounds have been classified as these are the compounds in which the carbon atoms in which the carbon atoms are linked together and they form a closed chain structure, or they are going to form a ring. So this is known as the closed chain organic compounds. Closed chain or cyclic organic compounds in which the carbon atoms are going to linked together forming a closed chain, or they are going to form the ring. These are known as closed chain organic compounds, and these closed chain organic compounds are further divided into two forms. The first one is known as homocyclic organic compounds, and the second one we have it is known as heterocyclic heterocyclic organic compounds. So here we have two next on further types of the closed chain organic compounds. The first one is homocyclic and the second one we have heterocyclic organic compounds. So let's have a look that what does mean by homocyclic organic compounds. So homocyclic organic compounds are basically these are the organic compounds in which the closed chain or the ring of carbon atom is present, ring of carbon atoms is present, and this ring contain only the carbon atoms. That's why it is known as homocyclic, because homo means same. So in this closed chain structure we have only the carbon atoms, not the carbon other than the carbon atom is present in this. So basically, further the homocyclic organic compounds, these are further divided into two types. So the first one type we have alicyclic, and the second we have aromatic organic compounds. Alicyclic organic compounds and aromatic organic compounds. For the homocyclic, it has been divided into two types. The first one type alicyclic, and the second one type we have the aromatic organic compounds. So basically, what does mean by alicyclic organic compounds? In the alicyclic organic compounds, these are the organic compounds that have close chain structure, or that structure is known as, or it is gonna to forming a ring, and these rings are composed of only carbon atoms. These are known as the alicyclic organic compounds. Basically, in these organic compounds, their properties are resembling to the open chain structures, open chain organic compounds, but they have differ their structure and the formula. So we have a example for the alicyclic organic compounds. We have propane like CH2, CH2, and CH2, and its name is cyclopropane. So for the closed chain structure, we will add the word that is known as cyclo. And if we have butane, in butane we have four carbon atoms. And they are going to form a ring. And next one we have they have the hydrogen CH2 and CH2. Uh, this is butane, and we will add the prefix cyclobutane because it is a ring structure or it is a closed chain structure of the organic compound. So this is the alicyclic organic compound. Next we have the second type of the homocyclic organic compounds or the carbocyclic organic compounds is aromatic organic compound. So what does mean by the aromatic organic compounds? Basically aromatic organic compounds, they are having alternate single, they have alternate mean changeable, alternate single and double bonds in their structure of carbon ring. So that's why they are known as aromatic organic compounds, or basically they have benzene ring in their structure. Now, what does mean by benzene ring? It, the structure of benzene like this, it is a hexagonal structure with the alternate double and single bond. So this is the benzene. All the organic compounds or the ring organic compounds having benzene ring or alternate single and double bond between the carbon ring are known as aromatic organic compounds. So all the important members of this clause chain has been derived from benzene, or basically they will have benzene ring in their structure. So this is the benzene ring. Next, if we have other organic compounds or aromatic organic compounds, it is like this. So its name is naphthalene. It is naphthalene and it is benzene. So we have naphthalene. A lot of examples related to this we have. The third one example we have the three benzene rings has been fused with each other and joined like this. So this we have the structure of anthracene. It is the structure of anthracene. So this is the aromatic organic compounds containing alternate single and double bonds in their structures. Next we have the last one type of the closed chain is the heterocyclic organic compounds. The word hetero mean different. It's mean different. So by definition all the organic compounds which contain one or more atoms, they contain one or more atoms other than carbon in the ring, or we can say that in the cycle of the structure are known as heterocyclic organic compounds. It's mean all organic compounds in which they have one or more other atoms as compared to the carbon are known as heterocyclic organic compounds, and in place of carbon they may have oxygen, they may have sulfur, and they may have nitrogen in the rings. For example, we have the structure for furan, as this is the ring structure. All there they have having carbon, there is carbon, and at one end they are having oxygen and the double bond. So this is known as furan, and it is a heterocyclic organic compound. Another example in which we have sulfur in place of carbon. So this is the structure of thiophene, and the third one structure we have pyridine, in which we have the hexagonal ring. At one end we have nitrogen, and here we have three alternate single and double bond. This is the structure of pyridine. So these are the three examples of heterocyclic organic compounds in which they are having carbon and also another carbon or another atom in the ring like oxygen, sulfur and nitrogen. I hope you guys understand about our today's lecture for the classification of the organic compounds. And if you have any queries, you can ask me about that in the comment section. For that time, have a good day and Allah Hafiz.